morning! It's part 1 of my day in the life working at Human Resources. Another challenge for today, and of course, I need to go to work today. Kailangan kong gumising sa umaga at exactly 7 o'clock in the morning, pero hindi kaagad ako tatayo sa aking kama kasi kailangan kong mag-exercise sa aking liig at kailangan kong i-massage ang aking ulo kasi masakit. Pagkatapos niyan ay kailangan kong itali ang aking sobrang napakahabang kulot na buhok. Kailangan ko nang tumayo sa aking kama kasi kailangan ko nang maligo, but before that ay aayusin ko muna ang aking bathrobe kasi kailangan kong uminom ng at least 3 glasses of water bago ako maligo. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next vlog. I love you. Goodbye!